back at Daytona. We're here for the pre-test to the 24-hour race.
Daytona is very unique, especially with the banking. That's why we come here testing, because it's such high speed and low drag. Requires a special setup.
Optimize all the time on track, that's most important, and work all together. We have a lot of work in front of us.
Start of a new season. We have 2 new cars on track, the GT4 Club Sports in Michelin Cup Challenge, and also our new GT3R, without forgetting our 2 RSR running in GTLM.
It's exciting to have my first laps in the new GT3R. So far it's been really nice, a lot more aero, very easy to turn on the infield, and quick on the straights. We need all of that at Daytona, but ultimately we're counting on Porsche's reliability.
It's great. I mean, the feeling I have here, it's always high. I'm really excited to be here in Daytona with the new GT3R.
I'm extremely excited to take delivery of the GT4 Club Sport. I can't believe this moment is here. Actually a lifelong dream to be able to take delivery of a car like this and race it at Daytona.
It's always difficult to balance the car on this track, just to be sure everything works perfectly, all the program, all the setup in the car.
The car is very different here to what we normally run with. There's lots of straight sections here at the high banks of Daytona, so the car is running really low downforce. It means we've got a lot less grip, but we also approach the braking zones at a lot higher speed.
It's always a question of compromise. That's why we need to learn a lot this weekend to arrive as strong as possible for the race.
We're getting through all the objectives that we have for this weekend, so I think we're well prepared. All out all the cobwebs before we come back for the 24.
The first race of the season is the biggest race of the season.
Porsche has some business to finish around here, so we're gonna go and do our best to get the Rolex and bring home the victory.